Hello, and welcome to another update video about Solana. Solana is obviously showing some buy reactions, which is good, in this larger orange support area. Yeah, in this support box that we've got between $15 and $20. In this current scenario, we expected a reaction. Now we start to see some reactions. It's not enough yet to confirm really that a low is in, but we have some early indications. What were the indications to say that a trend might have started, an uptrend? Well, first of all, the break above the descending trend line, I made you aware. You could also call this a descending wedge. I just took out one of these trend lines because you don't need the lower one. If we then go a little larger, we had a break above micro resistance, I made you aware, which was the next indication. Plus our support box did hold. And it has now reached basically the breakout point at $20.20 and could be forming, it's a bit too early for that, but it could be forming this inverse head and shoulders, which we've discussed over the last few days. It just needs a right shoulder and then maybe break higher here and follow the white wave count in this third wave. So the price action is quite constructive really to suggest that a low might have formed, but we need some evidence for that because the yellow wave count is not invalidated. It could still form a last low, but I also have to say that the size of this move to the upside is basically too strong, too large for a wave 4, at least for a reliable wave 4. So at the moment, I'm very much observing this structure. It can always form, it can always form a more complex, let's say, W, X, Y, X, Z structure. That's possible, yeah. Typically not the most likely scenario, which is why I highlight to you typically, okay, either one more low, or if it breaks above resistance, we need to see some evidence. We need to see the first 5-wave move up to unfold, because a WXYXZ pattern, the X wave to the upside, wouldn't be a 5-wave move. So therefore we need 5 waves up and 3 waves down. And besides last Monday, was it last Monday? Last week Monday, when we arrived down here, I explained to you that the wave count is technically full. We have a few other coins where the wave count is technically full, like for example QNT. Yeah, but that hasn't shown much of a reaction yet. At GMX, for example, Aave, they show some nice reactions as well. But yeah, currently we are observing here the inverse head and shoulders pattern, if that's unfolding. And the white wave count is basically what we need to see to confirm that here on the 11th of September, on the Monday, a lasting low has formed. We need some evidence in the price structure for that. And you would expect to see this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As I explained to you in a previous video, the next target for the bulls is to break above the $20.60 level, and then it needs to take it to $22. That is the target for a third wave. It's the 1.618 extension level of the wave 1, which is a third wave target. And here we have previous resistance. What's quite funny is that this could form an even larger inverse head and shoulders pattern when we get there, which is basically also in line, you could say, with the wave count here. Yeah, and but 3 waves up isn't enough. I need to see 5 waves up above $22 because $22 is the minimum expectation for the third wave. So I need that plus another high, and then a 3-wave pullback could give us a support area for scaling in again. For anybody who did not want to do it in this box, okay? Which is the trend reversal area. And if we go higher and come down again, it might be the next possibility. So that's exactly what we want to see. So it's getting interesting. I'm not saying I'm clearly bullish yet because I'm fairly neutral now because it broke above micro resistance. So it moved too much to the upside in order to favor a direct breakdown. So another low, yeah. Have to take everything together. So basically we arrived in our target area between $17 and $17.90. The wave count to the downside was full. I highlighted that last Monday in the video. We broke above the trend line, broke above micro resistance, but we haven't broken above the key level there, $20.59, and we haven't formed 5 waves up, so I have to be rather neutral. Just let it unfold now and see if it works out, and then we are going to calculate the pullback area for an ABC pullback. That's my update about Solana. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. As a channel member, you can get access to a weekly live stream. You get access to Discord and Telegram, our chat rooms. Plus, you get access to a lot of educational content that will keep you busy for many, many weeks, if not longer. And as a gold member, you get access to short-term market updates. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.